तस्तेषां बुद्धिमेकांत संस्थिता आलक्ष्य भीतस्त्वरितो राज्ञा आवेदयद यथा. When Chandamarka, the sons of Shukracharya, observed all the student sons of the demons were becoming advanced in Krishna consciousness because of association of Prahlad Maharaj, they were afraid. They approached the king of the demons and described the situation as it was. So purport में Prabhupada जी एक चीज़ फोकस करते हैं, बुद्धि एकांत संस्थिता. ये privilege खाली भक्त को होता है. Only a devotee mind is fixed on one place. भगवद गीता में बहुत श्लोक हैं ऐसे. व्यवसायात्मिक बुद्धि एक ही कुरनंदना, एक. सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामेकम, एक. एकत्वम. So this oneness of the one place mind is fixed. And generally what happens, our mind is scattered. Bahushakya anantasya buddhayo avisayana. Mind is scattered into Shota Vyadanira Sahasrasha. Thousands of things, mind is scattered. We are hearing thousands of things, trying to enjoy thousands of things. And we try one thing, it does not work, we give it up, and try another thing, it does not work, we give it up. Actually, nothing satisfies us. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita also, Arjuna asks, Siddha Pragnasya ka bhasha. What is the qualification of a person whose mind is fixed? Savai Manah Krishna Padara Vindyo. There is only one way to do it. Put your mind at the lotus feet of Krishna. Then it is fixed. We have to fix that first. जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ हम एडजस्ट करना चाहते हैं. इसको थोड़ा सेट करो, इसको तुम इस चीज को सेट कर दो बस. सवै मनः कृष्ण पदारविंदे. आप उधर सेट कर दो, बाकी सब हो जाएगा. वाचाम से वैकुंठ गुणान. इवन एज अ डिवोटी अगर आप पहला चीज फिक्स कर दो, बाकी सब ऑटोमेटिकली फॉलो करेगा. बट हम उस पर एफर्ट नहीं लगाते. फिर बाकी एडजस्ट करते रहो, करते रहो, जितना भी करते रहो, कभी भी एंड नहीं होगा. बिकॉज द real foundation of your spiritual life is savai manah krishna padaravindayo. आप उधर फिक्स करो ना. Just like we said million times, we can say it again. The power of thinking is with you. सोचने की शक्ति भगवान ने आपको दे दी है. वो लेने नहीं वाले, आपकी शक्ति है. What do you say? That power you have. You can think whatever you want at this moment. Correct? You can think about your home. You can think about the deities. True. अभी हमारा we cannot think about everything, just like we are not supposed to think about Rasa Leela now. We are not ready. But whatever you can, think about. If you are too materialistic also, okay, you think about how to expand Krishna consciousness. थोड़ा और expand करो. बढ़ने का, we are very greedy. That way, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha can be dovetailed in Krishna consciousness. Keep thinking in connection to Krishna. The gopis are thinking about Krishna. Krishna is so beautiful. Kamsa was thinking, somebody was thinking Krishna out of envy, somebody anger. True, bhakti should be anukulya, but even pratikulya, we don't imitate, but we see so many people. Some or another, you fix your mind on Krishna. That's all. Some or another. Narad Muni says, some or another. You fix your mind on Krishna. So Prahlad Maharaj's mind was fixed. So much his mind was fixed that even though their attempts to murder him, they could not shake that mind. हमारा माइंड तो थोड़ा सा भी चिंता होता है तो विचलित हो जाता है, नींद नहीं आती है. Mind is not fixed on Krishna. We know Krishna is in control. My business is, I am a servant of Krishna. My mind should be fixed on Krishna. So by the association of Prahlad Maharaj, what did Chanda and Amarka give? Fix the mind on economic development and sense gratification. आजकल, that's what I am discussing. The culture is that, okay, आपका पढ़ाई चल रहा है, लेकिन what is the atmosphere? What are they desiring? Why are they anyway come to study? Their mind is fixed on sense gratification. Correct? That's the unfortunate part. And that's a failure of education today. Their mind is not fixed on anything noble. So once this element comes, the mind is fixed. Manamana, the mind is fixed on Krishna, the rest will follow. Okay. So Prahlad Maharaj fixed the mind on Krishna. Satam prasangad mamavirya samrido bhavanti hirtkanda rasayana sirtaha. By association of Prahlad Maharaj, the mind became fixed on Krishna. There is in Bhagavatam also this shloka. Dharma projata kaitavatara parmo nirma saranam sadam vedam asatar shivadam tapatre unmulum shrimad bhagavate mahamurite kirma patay ishvara sadyo hriday avridute kritibi tashanat. Very soon, if you hear Bhagavatam, what is the Shruti Phala which has been given, is that if you hear Srimad Bhagavatam from the right source, your mind will be fixed on Krishna very soon. You will capture Krishna within the core of your heart. That means your mind will become fixed on Krishna. Chaitanya Charitamrita says, let it be in your heart, Lord Chaitanya, be fixed in your heart. Your heart will become fixed on Krishna consciousness. So this is very important way to fix. And Prahlad Maharaj, instead of their mind being fixed on dreaming some big comfort in life, he fixed their mind on Krishna. And now you try to analyze, there were small children. They are scared of the teachers. छोटे बच्चे teachers से बहुत डरते हैं. Okay? They are following teachers out of fear. But Prahlad Maharaj, they are following voluntarily. The spiritual life is actually very voluntary. इसमें कोई in total independence है. Prabhupada says Krishna is independent and your service to Krishna is also done voluntarily, out of my own choice. There is total freedom in the spiritual world. Total freedom. Now, out of freedom, devotees choose to serve Krishna. There is no force. Out of freedom, total freedom. So we have freedom. And they chose by their own sweet will to follow Prahlad. They were actually forced to follow the teacher. Okay? Most of the students today, they are also similar. They are studying is not that they want to study. They are studying because they are forced to study. But their heart is all in sense gratification. You leave them free for 10 minutes, they will jump into the pool of sense gratification. That is where they develop Maya Sakta Manapartha Yogam Yunjamadashaya Asamshayam Samagram Mam Yata Gyasitashano. Krishna says, you become Maya Sakta, you become attached to me. Yogam Yunjamadashaya. In this way you take my shelter. Follow yoga this way. Asamshayam, without any doubt. What will happen to you? Asamshayam? Samagram, completely. You will become advanced in Krishna consciousness. Yata Gyasita, here. So by Krishna is saying, if you become attached to him, if you fix yourself there, everything is nice. Vivasayatmika buddhi eke kurunandanaya. One place you can fix. So that is actually the property of Krishna consciousness. And that is what attracts. I was reading one devotee, how he became a devotee. वो मंदिर आ रहा था एंड वहाँ देखा एक भक्त कुछ सेवा कर रहा है, कुछ क्लीन कर रहा है बस. But the thing is noticed how much fixed he was doing that service. That gave him great inspiration. This place is genuine. Because generally क्या है, पाखंड बहुत है. तो जो लोग जब कभी मंदिर जाते हैं, पहला चीज उनको जो टच करता है, the genuineness of a devotee. Agreed? Really genuine. Because in this world there is no dedication. Is there any dedication in this world? No. Everybody is duplicitous. You go to office, you say, no, I am very dedicated. It's a joke, we are not dedicated. The moment the time is over, you want to run away. True? Because they give money, we work for them. They will not go there also. Correct? You will go there. If they don't give money, why you will come? So that dedication is a show. It's duplicitous. It is mixed. It is polluted. But to Krishna, the dedication is genuine. And people look for such dedication, which is not possible. Which is not possible. Prabhupada had such a large movement. He inspired people to come forward and be genuinely dedicated to serve Krishna. But why he could do that? Because personally he was an example. That's why I was discussing yesterday. Generally, many people, when the sadhus, you see, when they meet people, public, they try to show a good smile. Prabhupada, he was very grave, very serious, very, very serious. He had some great mission of his guru to accomplish. He was fixed on that. That is also very wonderful. If he can be fixed on the Vani of the Acharya, he can be fixed, absorbed. Because the mind cannot be controlled unless it accepts a superior dictation. The mind's nature is to take dictation. If you are intelligent, you fix yourself on a dictation of the Acharya. Then your life will be successful. You fix. Prabhupada's mind was fixed. First thing is that our mind should be fixed on following regulative principles. Our mind should be fixed on following sadhana. That is ABCD. Now come to that level. Then next after that, mind should be fixed on accomplishing the mission of the Acharya. Kya chahiye? Because what can I do? Prabhupada wanted so many desires. Can I fulfill? And if you try to do that, you see how many people Krishna would send to help you. Because they know you are genuine. People could feel very easily that this person actually wants to establish his guru's mission. His mind is fixed on the guru. So he is not a hypocrite. So automatically they will get fixed to him. Prabhupada was so dedicated to his guru. So automatically people became dedicated to him. Got it, no? Understood, no? He is practicing what he is teaching. He was so dedicated. Absorbed. Mind is fixed. So first level is that we have a dvanda. Dvanda moha nirmuktam. Our dvandva is, let me enjoy, let me do sinful activity, or let me not do sinful activity. वो level में रहता dvanda. वहाँ लड़ते रहो. But then dvanda moha nirmukta. When a devotee becomes purified, which to do? Time is only 12 hours. I can do some service. Which one to do? Let me do this one, or let me do this one. Let me do this one. You don't know which to do. Then he becomes fixed on the guru's order, what guru actually wants, because that is the role of the guru, to know you do this service. Okay, that's why you need guru. Otherwise you need guru. Guru is not just to get diksha. Guru is to get mission. Please do this. Okay, I'll do this. Correct? He will guide you. Do this. Okay, I'll do this. Done. Just like his Prabhupada's guru ordered him, do this. Prabhupada could have done so many things. He could have built a temple in India. He could have done so many things. His guru ought to spread the mission all around the world. Mind is fixed now. Kar denge. But even though he was very realistic in the sense he knows this is an impossible task. See, people are not able to understand what Prabhupada did is impossible. It's like they don't respect Prabhupada in society. Why many people do not respect, but they do not know what he has done is not possible. It's not easy. Not easy, it is impossible. Virtually impossible, and today we are realizing, the movement is realizing. Nobody is able to do it again. Nobody can create this movement again. What he did was impossible work actually. That we will, and that, the devotee shows a strength by that. It's like, किसी ने पहाड़ उठा दिया. Oh, bah. We say this person is very powerful. Correct? We say Krishna is very powerful. He could lift a mountain. It shows the power. So virtual, this is actually magic. This is what Prabhupada did is very difficult to understand. So Prabhupada knew this. As a very humbly he was praying, my dear spiritual master, you have given me such a difficult task. Such a difficult task. How do I do it? He was in a very humility. He knows this is impossible. And he was praying, continuously praying to his Guru, to the Acharyas, to the Purva Acharyas, to the Goswamis to give me strength that I can do this. So we also, when we go to preach Krishna consciousness, should know actually it is impossible to give anybody Krishna consciousness. It is impossible activity. It is not materially, it cannot be done. Today morning I was reading such funny things. The Rajasthan government has made a bill passed. In that they are saying against conversion. Religion is matter of faith, not logic. जो मना है सोच लो. क्या क्या चल रहा है? How can it be? You have to defend it. You have to defend it. Somebody says, why do you believe in Krishna as God? You have to defend. True, you will bring the Vedic arguments, you will bring the Shastra as evidence, but that is the way to present. But it's like whatever you can believe blindly, that's fine. But that's not Prabhupada was giving. He was giving the complete knowledge. Shri Radha Govind ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Okay? So please try to meditate on this. Prabhupada says once, can't you see the magic? Devotee said, what? You got knowledge. You got knowledge. It's a magic actually. How we got spiritual knowledge, it's a magic. It's a magic. Okay? So try to understand to the level Krishna blesses you, that actually to spread Krishna consciousness you need to be empowered. We don't understand this point. We think, thoda I can tell some arguments. That's of no use. It is good, it will help. But unless you are empowered, you cannot inspire in his heart a desire to take shelter of Krishna. He can go for millions of years. He will not take shelter of Krishna. So, nahi, acha lag raha hai. But he will not take shelter of Krishna. He will not feel the glories of the Lord and let me take shelter of Krishna. You cannot give it. Okay, so Prahlad Maharaj could do it. Therefore, when we hear that all the sons of the demons turned and their heart became attached to Krishna, that is display of the Prahlad Maharaj power. Kahan situation mein? All totally, they are no interest, but just by his personal association, by his powerful statements, instruction, they all taken shelter of Krishna. That shows a force. I was hearing one devotee's remembrance of Prabhupada. He said, first time I saw Prabhupada, he was coming to a university. That was Hridayananda Maharaj, he was telling. I was saying Prabhupada was coming to a university, and I was seeing him surrounded by his disciples. First thing I thought, he's so powerful. So what powerful is? Physical, no. Mind is fixed on Krishna. And because his mind is fixed on Krishna, he can pull anybody's mind, correct? Suppose you can hold to somebody, then you can pull, correct? But yourself cannot hold, how you can pull some people? He is so tightly holding to Krishna's lotus feet, he can bring people to Krishna's lotus feet. So Prahlad Maharaj accomplishment here is extraordinary. We should try to appreciate this point. And then now what is going to happen to Hiranyakashipu now, coming to second point, he is going to do a disaster now. Whole his life he did tapasya. A tapasya which is unheard of. Nobody can do it. Na past, na future. Nobody can do that tapasya. Unimaginable for a jiva to do the kind of tapasya. Standing on two legs like this. Itna time hai ki kide mokade usko kha gaye, and then still he is keeping him determination to be alive. He did that kind of tapasya. But then he played with something. Prahlad Maharaj came to him. Now next shloka he offers obeisance. What I get from the shloka is that even though his father is such a demon who already tried to kill him so many times, he is perfect in his etiquette. You cannot find fault with the Vaishnava. Therefore, Vidya means Vinaya. If Vidya Vinaya is not happening, then we become scared. Vidya means Vinaya. You see, he is so gentleman. You cannot find fault with Prabhupada. He saw his father and he paid obeisance. Even though father is a demon. And he knows that. His folded hands is standing. You cannot find fault with him. His etiquettes are perfect. And then he is full of knowledge. He could have shouted at his father. No. There is no fault in his character. Clean. And then after that, his father became extremely angry. And at that moment, Bhagavatam says, becoming angry on such an exalted devotee, he lost everything he had. He had all the blessings of Brahma. He had all the power. He had his age. He had his beauty. Everything he lost. So therefore, it is said very dangerous. Extremely. In Nam Japa also we say the first offense is that. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu compared it to a Hathi Mata. Just like an elephant. What does an elephant do? It destroys everything. Correct? Even Durvasa Muni, so many examples see. Because they became little proud, they practically destroyed. He unnecessarily got angry at Ambarish Maharaj. What is that? Yeah? Simple fellow keeping his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. Savai Manah Krishna Pada Aravinda. What is your problem? Why are you getting so angry? Just because you thought he has some knowledge. And what is the result of that? Therefore it is said, a knowledge if becomes a source of pride is like a jewel on a snake's head. That person becomes dangerous now. Therefore it's the four kind of people cannot surrender to Krishna. What are the four kind of people? Namam dushkritano mudha prapadyante naradama mayaya aprahita jnana. The maya takes away your intelligence. And then person becomes foolish. He thinks he is very intelligent, but everybody knows he has become a fool number one now. But he doesn't know. He thought, I am so intelligent. So Hiranyakashipu will say to Prahlad Maharaj, oh most unfortunate one. Why unfortunate? Because he is going to lose the kingdom. उसके लिए फॉर्चून क्या था भाई इतना मेरा सेठ बनने वाला था तू अब तुम मरेगा मेरे हाथ. But he doesn't know Prahlad Maharaj is actually most fortunate, not most unfortunate. In fact, very interesting. Mother Saraswati has a thing. He doesn't allow a pure devotee or Krishna to be insulted. She does not allow. So when somebody tries to insult them, she changes the words. In such a way, she gives you intelligence that your words have two meanings and one meaning is glorification. She wants devotees to be glorified. So now what he will speak so many things for Prahlad Maharaj, but actually he will glorify Prahlad Maharaj in second meaning. We doesn't know. You understand? We Bhagavatam also we have so many times when Krishna is becoming insulted, somebody is speaking something, Kamsa is speaking something. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur shows actually there was second meaning for everything he said. And he glorified Krishna. That's Mother Saraswati's service. She does it. So here also it will be very interesting when Hiranyakashipu will now rebuke Prahlad Maharaj. Oh this. Actually every word he says has two meaning. And second meaning is actually glorified the Prahlad Maharaj. So that way it will come. So we will be going through slowly in this pastime. So today's lesson is that with association of a pure devotee, if you can also associate, and Prabhupada was so kind to leave the books. It is said great saints, when they go to the other side of the ocean of existence, they don't take the boat, they leave the boat for you. So similarly, the Prabhupada books are like a boat for us, the wonderful guidance he has given us. So we should, when you hear, and as you hear, gradually your mind becomes fixed. Correct? Mind will become fixed in Krishna consciousness. It will become free from lower modes where your Dvanda is going on. And then go so many varieties of anxieties. And then mind will become fixed on service to Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.